Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and then we have to find the option security. Then let's tap on Fingerprint Manager. And as you can see, first of all, we have to set a screen lock because I do not have one set. If you've got one, you will be just transferred to another step. So let me quickly do it. You really have to do it because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. All right. And as you can see, we've got the fingerprint section. So here we've got the information about the fingerprint. So let's simply tap on I agree. And we've got also the information and the instructions, what we have to do. So we basically have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button of this device. So let me put my finger on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So let me hold the device so it will be easier. All right, and it's quite, oh my god, that was an accident. Quite difficult in this device, and unfortunately I've just missed everything. All right, let me start again. Okay, as you can see, it does not really catch as the fingerprint and my and the positions of my finger, but that's okay. Just take your time. Okay. All right, finally we've got it. You can add another fingerprint if you want to. I just want to tap on done. And this is the Fingerprint Manager. We do not have a lot of options here. We can tap on it and rename it or remove it right there. So let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.